In 2013, access to electricity in Kenya was below 30%. Since 2013, there has been an exponential growth in connectivity across the country. In just 5 years, we have more than doubled the connected customers from 2.2 million to 6.3 million. Moving forward, we will continue to partner with the private sector to deliver for our people through public-private partnerships. Investing in energy projects is just the beginning of the process. For investments to come to fruition, power developers must successfully negotiate the sometimes rocky waters of community engagement. Community engagement can be challenging to navigate because every single community in Kenya is so diverse. That is why this guide that Power Africa are launching today is so important. It is designed to help power developers work with communities in a constructive manner. It reminds the developers of the various laws and regulations we have in Kenya to ensure public participation and to involve the community in problem-solving, decision-making process, everything from policy formulation to project implementation.
You know, in the course of community engagement, developers often face very serious challenges around land ownership, and land, of course, can be community, it can be trust, it can be privately owned, and obtaining permission for access often is very difficult. And successful engagement really requires that developers go beyond fulfilling the minimum requirements under the law. There has to be really a thorough understanding on the part of communities